You can't ask kids for help. They don't know. Hi guys, in today's video I'll be doing a get ready with me / outfit of the day with my morning routine. In here I'm just going to start with removing some fuzz from my top lip, and this is the Flawless hair remover, and this tool is amazing. It does no snagging. It just removes whatever hair is on your top lip or anywhere on your face. So yeah, it's super gentle, and sometimes I like, did the hair really come off? But when I'm getting ready to clean it, I do see the hair and I do see the results on my skin as well. So here I'm just trying to see if it will focus, so you can see the hair that's inside the tool and where it collects that. And there's the hair that probably was there from before. Right now I'm just gonna go in with my Jason's tea tree oil, and I'm just going to put that on so it can cleanse everything down, and that just helps move any antibacteria. So it's a good antiseptic product. Okay, and here I started off with this Laura Mercier sample. It's my first time actually using this product, and I would have moisturized way more because this product is amazing, but it does dry down everything. I could have actually skipped this step where I'm going to just use my Fit Me powder to mattify on top of my primer. But again, the Laura Mercier primer is amazing. It just dries everything down really, really well, to the point where your face is like froze. But around my mouth you can see where it's a little like ashy. It's because everything is dried down, plus I'm peeling because getting over an extreme breakout after COVID. So in this clip I'm just going ahead and doing my eyebrows, and I don't think I'm going to talk over this entire thing. So if you're interested, just stay tuned and keep watching.
And I've seen you do makeup now.
Yeah, I'm doing something. When I finish, I'm gonna get you something to eat. You want some bacon?
A few months after Obama's inauguration,
Oh, you want a sandwich?
Stanley
You want to make a sandwich? Because I'm making me a sandwich.
He's given orders
You want a sub?
to assess the situation on the ground. I just want to eat something that I haven't ate yet.
Like a sub?
I didn't eat that.
When you ate that? I ain't making sub in a long time.
I know, but I didn't eat that a long time ago.
Like when? Like when?
When I was still like, 7.
You're 7 now.
Oh yeah, when I was like, when I was like 6.
That's in the 30,000.
When I was like 6, I used to eat subs.
Okay, what do you want, Dan?
I don't know.
Afghanistan's the good one. Afghanistan is the war that he's going to turn around. And now
That Laura Mercier primer had my face on froze. Like I could not blend out my concealer for anything. Right now in this clip, I am using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte in 420. And normally I use a makeup brush to do my makeup, but all my makeup brushes was dirty, and I had 2 boxes of new brushes that I didn't even think to open. And so I really don't blend my makeup out really good with sponges because it does remove product as you're putting product. That's the reason why I don't really blend out foundation with a beauty blender. I'd rather use a brush because the beauty blender just picks the makeup right back up. But I had to just go in a couple times or several times to just make sure it was giving me full coverage, and it did. It did what needed to be done. But yeah, so if you're interested, just keep watching. I am really not a concealer girl. I just find it that concealer is like a lot, but I'm just trying it and it didn't come out that bad. I mean, right here you can't tell, but it didn't really come out that bad. I couldn't even tell I had on concealer when I was done. Now that my whole entire face is done, please don't ask me how this happened. Because literally I had to take my forehead off, put my forehead back on. I'm 42, yes, but it came out really, really snatched. I have not did my lips because I'm gonna go eat some bacon. Probably come back and touch up a little bit. I'm wearing the Laura Mercier primer. I ain't got like a sample. And when I tell you, this thing dry your skin down really good, but you gotta definitely moisturize either before it, and I'm peeling, but I do like how it like keeping how I like. I really do like how it's keeping everything in place. And so I'm feeling my little look. Like I said, I'm gonna go get me some bacon and some eggs and eat, and I will be back. Let's just pause this a little bit. These kids is hungry. So I have this Zara blazer. Bye. And I have these Zara heels. I got my money bag, which is super cute. And those Zara heels. I ordered that Zara bag over there recently. But and I also am wearing the skirt right now. This is the skirt for that. Okay, so right now I am currently wearing this Zara bodysuit with this skirt, which is like a tweed material. Okay, it did come with the blazer. Well, it didn't come with the blazer. You have to buy the set separate, but I've had this set since like around Mother's Day, and I never wore it. Okay, and so this is the actual blazer. All I did was put my Chanel pin on. Okay, so the only thing about this set, and I'm on my tippy toes, so I'm not sure if you can get the whole view, is this is a skirt. So a skirt has like this thing and it's like kind of uneven. I could just get this to be way more even, but I guess it's not gonna be that way. But yeah, it looked like something else is going on in the front, which I'm not okay with. I would just rather it be the shorts, but that's how it is, I guess. I don't know if they meant to be worn separate. I'm not sure, but so this is the actual outfit. I'm in love with this outfit. I just probably gonna get the front of this tailored. I'm probably gonna have this just removed, and I'm probably gonna use this for some sort of bandana or something. I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I don't even want this to be tightened so it can look like a skirt in the front. Should I do that? So it can look like a skirt in the front, but then shorts in the back. Oh, that would be cute. Yeah, I might just get it tightened because I think if they remove it, it'll be a little messy. Just have this stitched to the pants exact, if that can happen. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But I think this is cute. And so what I did was I went ahead. I tried to eyeball the shoes, and so I got these Zara heels. I'm just step out the frame. I can't right now. I'm gonna pick up these shoes. And it goes. It's like a little bit more satiny but darker pink. What color is this camera in? Because I don't want this to be super duper light. Okay, because now you can see the color. Can you? Okay, so yeah. So I'm gonna put these on. Hopefully I don't break my neck. I don't put these on. I'm a mom, so the heel thing is cute. Or used to be. Okay. But this last thing is everything to me. Okay, so now you can see. So I'm gonna just stand back here. I hope I don't look like a little, I got legs for days. When I say I have legs for days, I have legs for days. But this is really cute together. Now that I look at it, it's not like that same babyish pink, but it's like a more adult pink. It is so gorgeous together. And I think I'm gonna remove my chain because for some reason my chain isn't giving. Like, this is my chain. And I tell you, this is my chain. It changes everything, but it's not giving in this outfit. So how Beyonce did it. Not from back. Okay, and so the money bag. Everybody has one of these, I'm sure by now. And so yeah, I just chose this bag because it's like a little ratchet. Oh, let me stop. But yes, I believe this is how a 42-year-old woman should be dressing. This is like being styled as a grown woman. So we're on our grown woman things, and as grown women, we want to carry ourselves as such. And I just think this ensemble is perfect for a grown woman. And so yes, we can still have a little flavor, a little sauce. Yeah, saucy, saucy, saucy. But at the same time, just straight conservative, but like, it was, I guess that's her name from Wiggly One, but hey, boo boo, we do this. This is what we do. Ooh, period. So, yeah. So, period. Hey, stop. Period. I'm just trying to get the shoes in the frame. So. Period. So yeah, this is what we do. Nails pink. I just want to show y'all guys this outfit. It's because I have some bad pieces. And I just want to share them with you. Because I don't really wear them. I just collect them. And that's what I do. I'm just a collector. Okay, I like to collect them. I like to collect them. I like to collect them. Okay, and so yeah. Well, Chanel is on the ears. A little accessory ring. A little sterling silver number. And yeah. And some Louis Vuitton on the fragrance. Okay, so yeah. I hope you guys like this video. It's a really silly video. It took me all day to do this. This is why I don't do get ready with me or makeup videos, because it's just tedious to say the least. Okay guys, so thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe guys, and if you want to see more content like this. And while this wig is glueless, it's not glued down because we just don't do glued down wigs. You know, we don't need to. We're going too bad. She's coming off, but in the meantime, baby, she's laid. So if you want to see videos on how I lay my wigs, Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.